been a little quiet here in round 2 of this Battle of Florida.
It has.
Now here's a loose puck and racing after it is Killorn. He's got a man wide open. It's Stamkos. Stamkos in. He scores! Steven Stamkos with goal number 496, and it's 4-1.
There's Steven Stamkos' family. They are loving that. What a goal by Steven. At high speed to do the cutback move and control it completely. Killorn gives him a real nice chance. Perfect backhand pass. How about selling that move as if he was going to go to the backhand? Bobrovsky's totally committed. Look at this. What a fake. Put the brakes on and then hold on, hold on. In super slow-mo, that looks like it's pretty easy. Now, it's not. That was at high speed. Stammer have just brilliant hands.